Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Have the camera shell sealed off to the fucking cab.
I just brought everything to the ends, and then I put those caps on there. That's it. And then there's a boot around, like a weather stripping boot around. That's what these panels are, to be able to access it. The box is an all steel cage box, so it's pretty solid.
I'm trying to do a blow through in my truck, but I got some 21-inch DDs. Yeah. So I got to do a camera shell or something that's something too tall.
Yeah. This one used to be 615s with the bed cover, and the cut was at the bottom, and it's just, again, just the weather stripping accordion boot. That's all you need, really. Is that what you're talking about? The accordion boot part? That's it. Just put the accordion boot on there. Have it on eBay. You can get some on eBay.
Awesome. Well, hell yeah. Who built this? This is really nice.
I did.
Nice job. Really big port.
So
what do you know your tuning and for this fourth one?
20. It's a 6th order. Port in the center.
6th one. Really? Okay. Okay.
Yep. It's 25 in the rear, 50 in the front.
Okay. Wow. Nice. Is it back and open so I can go check it out? Awesome. Thank you very much. Wow.
There's only so much of the fuckery. Every young nigga can take so much. I'm thinking more learning and knowing that most of this shit I heard fake. How you gon' up and say, oh no, 100, you ate up my plate, you ate from my table. Trying to convince me to crash, I never go for the bait. True was bad, but could've been worse. I'm riding the Hellcat, not a hearse. Took over at home, then jumped out the crib. Now all of my shows, they went for work. Broke so long, thought I was cursed. Started this shit wrong. I got some profit on my pain. You hear the hurt in every verse. Every once in a while, I gotta remind myself I'm that nigga. Every once in a while, I feel like I'm trying to help the ones in the trench. Don't really talk to the mother my child, but we fuck every once in a while. I told my little nigga don't take it to trial. We talk every once in a while. Had to look for myself like the wind do. Told a couple people around me, you ain't in my way, nigga, you see. Never seen a struggle, we ain't equal. Not the scientist, walk around the house, hollering out new nigga me. She said that shit just to trigger me, so she can't deal with me. I don't give a fuck if you don't, I still can fuck when I want. Told all my niggas trying to boss up. If your feet ain't planted, you get crossed up. Your church today put the floss up. Thought they seen a ghost when I walked up. Gotta fight to live when you in that fear. I feel for the killer, now who got killed. I'm smoking the blunt, talking to the mirror. It's the only thing that can see me clearly. True was bad, but could've been worse. I'm riding the Hellcat, not a hearse. Took over at home, then jumped out the curb. Now all of my shoes, they went for work. Broke so long, thought I was cursed. Yeah, started that shit wrong. I got some profit on my pain. You hear the hurt in every verse. Every once in a while, I gotta remind myself I'm that nigga. Every once in a while, I go back and try to help the ones in the trench. Don't really talk to them.
Yes, sir.
Every once in a while, I go back and try